This will protect your plants from pests. No chemicals needed. Just one plant can help eliminate the problem from your garden. It helps fight aphids, thrips, and fruit flies, and also protects against powdery mildew and other fungal diseases. Common tansy grows wild, often found along roadsides and ditches. It's often mistaken for a weed, but it's actually a very useful plant. To make a natural spray, grab a large bucket and add about 10 ounces of fresh tansy. Tansy acts as a natural repellent. Its strong scent drives insects away. Pour in about 2.5 gallons of water and stir well. But don't stop there. Cover the bucket with a trash bag and let it sit for 24 hours in a shady spot. After that, prepare a garden sprayer. Dilute the mix with water in a 1:2 ratio. On hot days, spray in the early morning or evening. Use it on vegetables, fruit trees, and shrubs, especially those attacked by aphids, thrips, or fruit flies. It really works. And there's more. Tansy spray also helps prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Use it once a week and your garden will thank you.